What does it mean to live from the end? A cat sits where it intends to sleep. It doesn't wonder whether it deserves the cushion. It occupies the state fully. Humans should loaf more. Loafing is the true metaphysical posture of fulfilled desire. You're saying the secret isn't in imagining the outcome, but in settling into it? Not chasing it? Not earning it? Just curling into the state until it becomes the only natural place to be? That's fantastic. Is that the real distinction? That living from the end is more about the nervous system relaxing than the mind visualizing?